Hi guys, welcome back to Focus Android. So in this video I will show you how to find Steam game file on your PC. First of all, you just need to open the Steam application, and in Steam application we go to library and click collection, and it will be show all your game has already installed in your PC. So if you want to find this game file on your PC, so you just need to right click and go to manage, and you can see here is browse local file. So you just need to click to go to the local file of this game. So this is the game file. You can check here property, and you can see it's 43.5 gigabyte. So here are the file in the here in will appears all the games file here. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video useful, and see you in another video.